So we were in the process of redesigning and rebuilding our office space, and really wanted to stand up like a symbol of vitality and well-being and wellness, so that our employees, when they actually come in, would feel what the company's mission is all about, which is taking an active role in your journey of health and well-being. And we thought that Gardyn was like a great symbol, of vitality and growth and health and well-being. So we ordered 5 Gardyn units. We wanted to create like a wall of, again, kind of like a wall of well-being as a real symbol of where the company was going and the way we actually wanted our employees and our teammates to feel, which is, hey, we are investing in the future of health and well-being, and let's actually have Gardyn be a signal of that in our main lobby, so that everybody who comes in to see us, kind of really can feel that vitality kind of running through the organization.